Dear students, welcome to Class Time Achi YouTube channel. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம சேனல்ல 12th standard economics revision test 2021 இதோட keys தான் நாம பார்க்க போறோம். So இந்த question paper டோட்டலா 50 marks கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. Time is 1.5 hours. இதுல actually எத்தனை பார்ட் இருக்குன்னா part A, D, C, D 4 பார்ட் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So நம்ம ஒவ்வொண்ணா அப்படியே பார்த்துட்டு அதோட ஆன்சர்ஸையும் பார்த்துடலாம். So part A, answer all the questions. Number 1. Who is regarded as the father of modern macroeconomics? Option A. Adam Smith. B. J.M. Keynes. C. Ragnar Frisch. D. Karl Marx. The right answer is option B. J.M. Keynes. Number 2. An economy consists of A. Consumption sector. B. Production sector. C. Government sector. D. All the above. The right answer is option D. All the above. Number 3. Identify the father of socialism. Option A. J.M. Keynes. Option B. Karl Marx. Option C. Adam Smith. Option D. Samuelson. So the right answer is option B. Karl Marx. Question number 4. Identify the flow variable. Option A. Money supply. Option B. Assets. Option C. Income. Option D. Foreign exchange reserves. So the right answer is option C. Income. Question number 5. Identify the sectors of a two-sector model. Option A. Household and firms. Option B. Internal and external. Option C. Private and public. Option D. Firms and government. So here the right answer is option A. Household and firms. Question number 6. Primary sector is dash. Option A. Industry. Option B. Trade. Option C. Agriculture. Option D. Construction. So the right answer is option C. Agriculture. இது நமக்கு எல்லாருக்குமே நல்லா தெரிஞ்சதுதான் இல்லையா? 7th question. National income is measured by using dash methods. Option A. 2. Option B. 3. Option C. 5. Option D. 4. So the right answer is option B. 3. The financial year in India is dash. Option A. April 1 to March 31. Option B. March 1 to April 30. Option C. March 1 to March 16. Last option D. January 1 to December 31. So January to December அப்படின்றது வந்து calendar year. அவங்க கேட்கிறது financial year. So the right answer is option A. April 1 to March 31. Question number 9. The average income of the country is its dash. Option A. Personal income. B. Per capita income. C. Inflation rate. D. Disposable income. So the right answer is option B. Per capita income. Question number 10. The largest proportion of national income comes from dash. Option A. Private sector. B. Local sector. C. Public sector. D. None of the above. So the right answer here is private sector. சரிங்களா? So next part B ல பாருங்க. Answer any 5 of the following questions. Question number 18 is compulsory. So each question carries 2 marks. இதுல 18th question வந்து compulsory கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. So 11th one, defined macroeconomics. The answer is in page number 1. It starts here. Macroeconomics is the study of economy as a whole. In other words, macroeconomics deals with aggregates such as national income, employment and output. Macroeconomics is also known as income theory. So this is the answer for question number 11. 12. Define the term inflation. The answer is in page number 2. Inflation refers to the steady increase in general price level. Question number 13. What do you mean by capitalism? The answer is in page number 14. அதே மாதிரி circular flow of income. இதோட definition கேட்டிருக்காங்க. இந்த questionக்கான answerம் page number 14. What is capitalism? The system where the means of production are privately owned and market determines the economic activities. This is the answer for question number 13. Question number 14. Circular flow shows flows of income, goods and services and factors of production between economic agents such as firms, households, government and nations. This is the answer for question number 14. Question number 15. Write the formula for calculating GNP. The answer is in page number 21. GNP at market prices is equal to GDP at market prices plus net factor income from abroad. Question number 16. Define GDP deflator. The answer is in page number 22. GDP deflator is an index of price changes of goods and services including GDP. It is a price index which is calculated by dividing the nominal GDP in a given year by the real GDP for the same year and multiplying it by 100. GDP deflator is equal to nominal GDP by real GDP into 100. Question number 17. Briefly explain GNP. The answer is in page number 20. GNP is the total measure of the flow of final goods and services at market value resulting from the current production in a country during the year, including net factor income from abroad. இது வரைக்கும். Question number 18. Define national income. The answer is in page number 20. This is the compulsory question. The labor and capital of a country acting on its natural resources produce annually a certain net aggregate of commodities, material and immaterial including services of all kinds. This is a true net annual income or revenue of the country or national dividend. So this definition is given by Alfred Marshall. Part C. Answer any 5 questions in which 26 is compulsory. Each question carries 3 marks. So இந்த questionக்கான answersலாம் எந்த பேஜ்ல இருக்கு அப்படின்றத நான் நோட் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கேன். நீங்களும் நோட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Part D, you have been given 3 questions. Question number 27, 28 and 29. இதோட ஆன்சர்ஸ்லாம் எங்கெங்க இருக்கு நான் பேஜ் நம்பர்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்கேன். நீங்கள் மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும்னு நான் நம்புகிறேன். உங்களுக்கு இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருக்கு அப்படின்னா லைக் கொடுங்க. உங்கள் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸுக்கு ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். மறக்காமல் நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்ஸ் ஃபார் வாட்சிங்.